Total and exact product separation. That's the signature of the Marc Series gravity separator from LMC Manufacturing. Named after LMC's founder, the Marc Series gravity separator promises years of trouble-free service while automating many of the advanced operating controls. The fluidized bed is formed using a single super quiet, high-efficiency fan. AC inverter drives allow for micro adjustments to the fan and the eccentric speeds. LMC's hallmark ripple deck design provides superior traction for precise separation. On-the-deck recirculation eliminates the need to have middle cuts, which minimizes product handling. A greater bed depth than other gravity separators actually allows LMC's gravity separator to use the product to make more precise separations. The multi-lights adjustable gates offer total control over light product discharge. The automatic discharge system senses product depth and adjusts the discharge gate for fluctuations in product flow, eliminating the need for constant readjustment. LMC's Marc Series gravity separator is the most reliable, durable, and flexible machine in the market, proven to boost the customer's bottom line while offering years of unparalleled processing power.